Hi, this is Tyra. I just wanted to make a short video about the diamond painting, the huge diamond painting that I'm working on. And the system which I am working from. In my last video, I showed you how I have chosen to set up my diamond painting. This time, how I've chosen to organize the drills. And this is my storage solution, as these drills isn't or as this diamond painting isn't in DMC. I don't really use the numbers. There was a lot of questions with respect to how I chose to organize the drawers and so on, so let's just go through that. And hopefully tomorrow or on Friday I will post my normal weekly vlog of what I've been doing and so on. It's just been so busy. I've just started back from work, or started back from holiday on Tuesday. So that's just been, all sorts of funny things to do. And so spend a lot of time on work. I work full time, and the children hasn't started school yet, so they're still at home. So we're doing some stuff together and so on. So time is a bit scarce at the moment, but I hope to be picking up my usual 2 to 3 videos a week as normal within the next couple of weeks. So, but let's just dive into this part, and let me know if you got any further questions. I know I'm trying to answer the questions which you posted in the video that I did previously. And if you got any more, just let me know, and I will try to answer you at my best. So the way that I've chosen to organize the diamonds is that I've color organized them. If you look at the charts down here, they have no meaning. The colors are pretty color organized. That is that this, for instance, is a black 310. This is a pink one, this is a bluish one, and so on. So what I chose was that I wanted just to organize the colors and the symbols which I am relying on in a color. So it's going to be easier for me to find the correct color for the symbol. So up here we have white. You can't see that, so I'm just going to take it out. And somebody asked me how I organize the bags. I just put them in there. That's the easiest way for me to do it. This is a special drill, or an AB one, and I just put it in there. And then I start working out from the back, but I'm going to show you that next. And then we have a light green one or yellow beige one, and then gray, and then we go over to some yellows, orange down here, pinks, lilac, more lilac, greens, then there's reds over here, and so on. You get the idea. So that's how I choose to do it. At the moment, I'm just going to move you a bit. You are on my iPad, so I hope that this is okay. At the moment, I'm doing this wonderful special drill, and this is the symbol, the star symbol down here. I'm trying to hold you as still as possible. So that's these ones. And the ones, I don't know if I'm the only one who's having a bit trouble with the ordinary wax on my pen. So for At the moment I'm just using my pen, but I've also been using tweezers just to try to catch them a bit better. But it seems to be okay with the pen. You just need to fill them up a bit more frequently than usual. So that's what I've been working on. And then somebody asked, how do you work from the drawers? So here we have one of the drawers, which I have already opened. As you can see, there's a spillage. And when I add extra drills, I'm just going to take the ones here. This is the special drills one. When I add extra drills to my tray, I just pour. And when I pour these back, I just pour them back into, the tray. What I really like about these trays is that, or these drawers, is that first of all, they're drawers and they're easy to see. And secondly, of all, I don't know if you can catch it down here. You can already see it. The drills are coming off the drawers really easy. So if I just have a couple of colors, I can easily just work out of the drawer and put it back. So that's what I've also been doing. If I tend to have a large working area. You can see down here and up all the way down up here. I'm already almost completed the first part of, I think it's 30 centimeters or something. And I typically work color-wise, but I always forget or oversee some single colors, and that's why I've at the moment been working with this color simultaneous. This is I don't know if I can find one of those colors at the moment, but it's just one where it's got a spot in it. Just looking to see if I can find. There's probably some of them over here. It's this one. Let's see if I can. This one. That's the color. I've already covered most of it and got one loose down here. But I have almost covered all of this. But when I've finished this, I just put it to a side, and then I can just take it with me, or put it back into the drawer system, or just let it rest over here, and then I can swap in the colors that I need. So that's the way that I've chosen to work on it. It's not scientific or anything. It's just what I found really, really easy when you have these large amount. I know there's some people working with large systems of trays and so on, but that's not really my thing. I like that the borders on it are really steep, so I don't knock them over, especially with the amount of drills that I have in it. These are not small paintings, so you need larger containing systems than normally. Also because the way that I work these larger painting is that I work really large areas at the same time, because otherwise you have to keep on changing colors. You can see at the moment I'm working on the star, and if I go upwards, there's a lot of stars up here. So in this area I haven't changed a lot of colors, and you can see I've got a totally blank area down here where I haven't been working at all, and that's because I haven't reached the color yet. So it's just my method of doing a diamond painting, and you can see if you can use it, or if you can't, then you've just wasted 10 minutes. No. But that's just how I do it and how I've chosen to do it. So if you have any comments, leave them below. I will hopefully post a whip video and show you some of my different crafts that I've been working on. I think Mary also has some things that she wants me to show. So looking forward to seeing you in my next video. I hope you all are doing fine. We have the most glooming weather today. Denmark has been overrun by a lot of water, and so it's really gloomy and dark outside. So I've just been diamond painting. Or I haven't worked on any my cross stitch or anything. So yeah. But see you in my next video. I hope that this video helped you a bit, and I hope that I'm not shaking you too much around because you're handheld. But see you in my next video, and take care. Bye for now. Happy diamond painting, and if you haven't subscribe and give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down. I don't care. Yeah, please don't give me too many thumbs downs though. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.